Billionaires don't need our admiration. They need intervention. Their wealth isn't just obscene, it's destructive. And the system that creates them, that's the real illness. If we want a society built on liberty and justice, we need a cure for billionaire brain. Let's start with the most obvious fix: redistribution. I'm talking about wealth taxes, caps on how much an individual can hoard, and reinvesting those billionaires into our communities. It's not radical, it's basic fairness. Back in Eisenhower's day, we had a top marginal tax rate of 91%. You know what that did? It forced the wealthy to reinvest their profits into workers, infrastructure, and innovation. Greed wasn't profitable, and that's why prosperity was shared. Today, billionaires have gamed the system. Loopholes, offshore accounts, and laughable tax rates allow them to stockpile wealth while schools crumble and hospitals go unfunded. This isn't freedom. It's feudalism with better PR. Real liberty comes when every person has access to the resources they need to live, not just survive. Next, let's talk about power. Specifically, who holds it? Billionaires exist because we've let them seize control of our economic systems. It's time to take that power back through unions, worker co-ops, and participatory democracy. Imagine a workplace where decisions aren't made in boardrooms by detached CEOs, but by the people actually doing the work. This is accountability in action. It's a direct challenge to the billionaire playbook, which thrives on exploitation and isolation. Collective power isn't just about fair wages. It's about ensuring no one can hoard resources at the expense of everyone else. That's liberty. That's equality. Nowhere is the billionaire stranglehold more dangerous than in technology. People like Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg are shaping the future of AI, space travel, and social media, not for the good of humanity, but for profit. This isn't innovation. It's monopolization. Tech should serve the many, not the few. That means democratizing innovation, publicly funded research, open source technologies, and strict regulations on tech monopolies are just the start. We have the tools to build a future where technology enhances human freedom and connection instead of creating new hierarchies. But first, we have to wrest control from the billionaires who've turned our future into their playground. Finally, let's redefine what success looks like. Right now, we treat billionaires like they're the pinnacle of human achievement. But here's the truth. Success isn't measured by yachts or private islands. It's measured by the well-being of a society, by equity, by a world where no one needs to hoard billions to feel secure. What if we celebrated shared prosperity instead of individual excess? What if we built a world where innovation meant solving real problems, climate change, inequality, health care, not launching vanity projects into space? Success isn't about rising above others. It's about rising together. Billionaires aren't a flex. They're a fucking warning sign. They're the smoke that tells us the system is on fire. But here's the thing. We built this system, and we can rebuild it. We can dismantle the policies that let them hoard wealth and replace them with ones that uplift everyone. The sooner we fix our system, the sooner we can stop being their collateral damage. Let's reclaim the values of liberty, equality, and justice. Not just for the few, but for all.